This is the Honeywell T-6 Wi-Fi Thermostat. Fairly simple to use. If we want to switch it between heating and cool mode or off, we simply touch the screen, it will light up. Then we select mode. And once we do that, it'll show heat, cool, or off. I will select heat. Here's the current room temperature. There's the set point. Once we press plus or minus, you can see the set point changes, the furnace kicked on, and that's the actual temperature it's reading. I can go back into mode. I can turn it to off. Your fan button, right now it's in auto mode, which means it's only going to run during a heating or cooling call, or when your HRV or ERV is ventilating. It will also come on its own. If you prefer to have the fan circulate the air continuous, just press fan, it changed to on. Press it again, it's off. One other nice feature when you have a HRV, ERV, whole house ventilator is on this screen we can press menu. Then we can arrow to the right until we see ventilation. Once I see ventilation, select, arrow over to boost. I'm going to select again, and you can have your ventilator go on high speed, high circulation from anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour and 20 minutes. This is something we recommend if you have a lot of company over, or you just want to turn a lot of air over in the house during a brief period of time. And then once that's done, it'll go back to its default 20% run time. So unless you select the boost to get rid of excess moisture, excess smells, it will automatically go back and ventilate at a 20% time interval. Once we get done with that, hit done, boost is on. Now we can just go back, and we're back to the home screen.